Hey guys, welcome to the second episode. So as you see, so far we just got this little thing. But right now I want to do something that I think could help us. So what I want to attempt is if key space pressed, then then um then wait, what am I and repeat until key space pressed. Let's try maybe right arrow press. Let's try this. Let's try something else because I want to try this. If because I want to try this. Let's see if it works. Oh wait, no, wrong one. When space key pressed, forever, repeat until you know what? That's what I think I was doing wrong. Repeat until right arrow pressed. Go to Y45. Okay, so that works. Let's go. So now we got like a cruise mode. But yeah, that is cruise mode. So we just had to do when space key pressed. Oh, there you go. There you have it. But I will.